Hey, so noving, let's learn with fun. Themreirin Varah achiva itum class 10 mathematics week to chapter pair of linear equations in two variables the murumre. Remake up the title hi itum bhabta khwai hotna se. What is an equation? Equation hi a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions kajine. Kaklat power expression khani hi equal sai the khang statement jili equation hoye. Chanjam sada 2x plus 5 hi algebraic expression akhane. Takamena 7x hi la algebraic expression akhane. Ani hi equal sai the hangauni gja. Chikatha statement jili kyorakla jiga equation hore. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x kaji hi equation ne. Let's take another example. Algebraic expression will say 3x cubed minus 4y. Kala another numerical expression 15. Ani hi ngarai chaye da or equal saye the hangauni ja hi statement hi equation ne. Aro thaka linear equations chiga khili khang. Itumna polynomials katamadamli algebraic expression aga hi linear expression ne or polynomial aga hi linear polynomial ne chiga tharan hangkhala jiga awi degree ji 1 akha chili linear expression ne ta hangya takamaina hilila equation jili jang dakle expressions ping chuing jali degree jungmai thui ji 1 akha chili linear equations hore ari itumna example khui kai khani hibai linear equation ne. Why? Because hiu expression lila degree 1 ne, hiu expression lila degree 1 ne. Yang takamai ka khani ba hiwa linear equation maning ne q1 kala jilaga hiu expression 3x cube minus 4y hiwa degree 3 ne. Jena degree 1 maning tugida this is not a linear equation. Okay? Our example will say 4x plus 5y is equal to 17z. Hilizang the expression khani hi degree 1 to 2a. So this is a linear equation. Ka 2x square plus 4y equals to 7x minus 2. Hiva linear equation manim ne kiwangla jiga hilizang the expression hi ba hi degree hi 2 ngasaw gida. Okay? Now linear equations in two variables chikadaga khilikahang. Itumna first example ba hi yang say 2x plus 5 equals to 7x kaji hili variable kya jangla jiga variable mang jangai x mang jangdale yang taga this is not a linear equation in two variables. This is simply a linear equation in one variable. Okay? Hibai la yang say 4x plus 5y is equal to 17z. Hilila variable x, y, kala z sangdale. Chena hili variable ko thum jangai. So this is also not a linear equation in two variables. This is a linear equation in three variables. Okay? Hibai va linear equation maning mane, hibai la linear equation maning mane. So hiva khayang diagram salim ne. Okay? Chena 2x minus y equals to 3y. Here thaka linear equation in two variables meaning obviously yes because we have two variables x and y. What about this? 6y minus z is equal to 25. Of course this is also a linear equation in two variables. We have two variables y and z. Ara pair jiga khili khangla jiga khani li khangne yang a pair of socks, a pair of shoes jiga khani li khang ta kamaina or a pair of linear equations in two variables ka jigo klat pawa linear equations in two variables khani gi jine. Okay? The kyuwang na itumna akhmang li interest malela kyuwang na khani li interest leo kyuwang na pair li interest leo gi ji machuk se chanjam sada example a will say x plus y equals to 15 hi linear equation in two variables ne ara chanjam sada x and y we value sanglaga equation is satisfy sang sak sei ja kha x we value chanjam sada in a 0 khoni ja y we value 15 kui kha satisfy sad le 0 plus 15 is equal to 15 chanjam sada x we value hi in a 3 khuyni ja y we value hi 12 khuika x plus y equals to 15 shok tale x we value hi janjum sa ina -2 khuyong ni jiwa y we value hi 17 khuika x plus y is equal to 15 shok tale chira sa da itum na x and y we value hi ku chung khui bai equation bai satisfy sak bai wang yang chena itum na linear equation in two variables akhamang khuya khawa x and y we value hi mushan khar khui bai mushan khar samphang bai jilla kha itum na x and y we value hi ngarak chakaina akhamang ningjang kha we need another condition kala another condition ga ju khlada we need another linear equation in two variables in order to get exact value of x and y janjam sa da itum na x minus y equals to 5 in a condition ga khne bane or equation ga khne bane to khuyong ni jiwa ara khni ni hili satisfy sagi ji x kala y we value khirakla janjam sa da x we value 10 khuyong ni ji y we value hi 5 shokrade first equation ba wa tissue da kala hili itum na x we value 10 sangeng se kala y we value 5 sangeng se so itum second equation by la satisfy sa by the lay chena pair khani khuya tam tharan value x we ngrak chagai na khasam phangra kala y we lang rak chagai na khasam phangra khangtai value sang yang laga pair khani ni hili satisfy sa ga by x and y we value ma lay mane na chuna try sang lo masam phangra chi thau gi da itum na pairly interest khalai jiwa unique solution samphang by khwai we wang interest khalai nai okay aro thaka x plus y is equal to 15 aina x minus y is equal to 5 hiva pair of linear equations in two variables neither hang by era ka janjam sa da x plus y is equal to 15 aina y minus z is equal to 5 hiva pair of linear equations neither hang by la hila linear equation in two variables ne hila linear equation in two variables ne thaga ani hi pair ne da hang by la no Kuwangla jika equations khani hili zangda khlai variables pingjing ngai ngai dele khare bai le variable sangda khlai ji x and y ga zangne ka khani bai le variable ji y and z sangda le chi thaugi da variable sangda khlai ji mangrai ja thugi da hiwa pair of linear equations in two variables ne da mahang bai mane chena pair of linear equations ngasara jika condition ji wakigla jika they should have the same two variables himam laila kalo thaka itum na ka da pair of linear equations in two variables hi solve sa by rakla ji hi mathang ni tamba maman se I we previous video akhli na thumli na question akhang han gai le na thumna solve sai raga ma sai rakla ma thai thure na aina na wing so na akhli ina lupa tra hi ngayar lo kala na na wing sot pali lupa kha chungmai da khuilo chini gi ja ka tha da ngayar rakla hi thumna logic shijin lagala answer ji phashok pai kha interesting salagai nai thumna pair of linear equations in two variables we concept shijin laga answer solution khuchok pai ka tha da khuchok rak lag ji thum yangrom se chanjam sa da na we share some mangi ji x ni jolo kala na wing sot da ba we share na y ni jolo kala itumna x and y we value phashok ai kha na we share kya khara kala na sot ba we share kya khara ji theora chena itumna hili equation same khuingai gi jine ya remake up the condition khreba ji khikla jiga lupa thra hi nai na wing so naung yer log jine chuklat pa ba no we share aina no wing sot pa we share jing room ni gi jiwa lupa thra chok ki jine so this is the first linear equation in two variables kakhane condition na ba na wing sot pa li lupa kha chungmai da khuilo kaklat pa ba no we share ji li no wing sot pa we share ji minus sa shokau ni ji lupa kha tai re ya so this is the second linear equation in two variables so ituna thai gi ja equation khani hi pair of linear equations shok tale ya ara pair of linear equations hena itumna ka tha da x we value kala y we value pha shok pai kala gi hi itum yang rum sai itum nari puzzle ji solution ji mata chawrang la kha linear equation in two variables hi mathematically ka tha da define sar khala gi yang sai linear equation in two variables is defined as an equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Chena linear equation in two variables hiva ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 kaju form na ka bi pai shon re kala a, b, c bingi real numbers phalungra kala a na b hi atama khali khnini 0 ma sabai mra kaklat pawa a na b hi khnini 0 maning gi maning ka a0 sa sala b0 maning gi maning ka b0 sa sala a wa 0 maning gi chili khang ara itumna a na b hi khnini 0 maning nei ji ka thadala express sabai gla jiga a square plus b square is not equal to 0 tala express sabai q wang khla je kha a square plus b square hiwa square khani wi khang room saw gi da negative wa mu shok pai mne kala 0 shong sakra ji kha wa a hi la 0 ong sa phungra kala b hi la 0 ong sa phungra mani ka 0 mu shok pai la ning room la yang chi da ho gi da a and b hi khnini 0 mani ka wa mu shoi lak la a square plus b square hiwa it should not be equal to 0 chena hira da express sabai gi jine okay ara itumna linear equation in two variables we definition we attitude example kui say 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0 hiwa nga hangina ax plus by plus c equals to 0 we form in a later ag2 ne bg5 ne kala cg3 ne ka 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0 hiwa thaga ag2 ne no doubt bg5 ne ka khana oba hiwa plus c we form in am lemna lide minus c we form in lide yang okay hi thumna ka tadak b by kla jiga 2x plus 5y plus minus 3 equals to 0 dak b by ra taga ag2 bg5 kala cg minus 3 okay aro janjam sa 2x minus 5y is equal to 3 hila ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 we form in a mag b by kla yang sai ag2 ne so ax plus bg minus 5y aro 3 hi lakshong khui kau sai thaka plus minus 3 is equal to 0 dak b by thaka ili ag2 ne bg minus 5 ne kala cg minus 3 ne aro 2x is equal to 3 hiwa thaga linear equation in two variables rala yang khayang atam liwa maning marom ne q1 plus ga itum variable a khamang thai dale yang kha hi ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 we form in a copy by sare try saying say so 2x plus ara y sango say kala y jili 0 na multiply sau say thaga 0 shok bobom gi jin da yang laga 3g lak shong khang kau say thaga plus minus 3 taga b by ora is equal to 0 now he ax plus by plus c we form in le de a hi 2 ne b hi 0 ne kala c hi minus 3 ne kala I thumui hi we condition by la satisfy sa dale kaja a na b khnini hi rip the 0 ma samra jilla ya the a0 meaning ne b0 sa sai jilla okay so this is also a linear equation in two variables ka 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 hiwa linear equation in two variables rala itumna arui ga sada ga mena 0x the sangui by kala 0y the sangui by kala plus 0 is equal to 0 the sangui laga ka b by ka hili gi shoi ba wa a hi la 0 how p hi la 0 how khanini hi rip the 0 how gi da hi pa hi wa hi we condition by satisfy ma sa thore jilla chena hi wa linear equation in two variables maning mane jilla ina shit sangai na thum phap tai re ara solution of a linear equation jiga khigla jiga solution of an equation is a pair of values one for x and the other for y which makes the two sides of the equation equal kaklat pawa equation hi we solution jiga khigla ja kha x we value kala y we value khi sang kha left hand side ena right hand side hi ngai cha hawra khla kajine chili x and y we value pair jili ki orak la jiga solution ora jila jansa da x plus y equals to 10 li in x we value 2 huega y we value 8 huega left hand side chi 2 plus 8 1 ora right hand side chi 10 li bobamra so 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 satisfy sa da le thaga x equals to 2 kala y equals to 8 hi solution ne thaga maina another solution 5 and a 5 x 5 kilo y 5 kilo thaga x equals to 5 kala y equals to 5 is also a solution of this linear equation ara itumna pair of linear equations hiva general form maina ga thadak pi pairak la jiga linear equations adang ax plus by plus c equals to 0 da ka pi pai ta ka maina khre equation bajili a1x plus b1x plus c1 equals to 0 da ka pi pai kala ka khani equation bajili a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 the general sala ka ina ka pi pai kala itumna thaigi jibaba a1 b1 c1 kala a2 b2 c2 kodong ji real numbers ra kala a1 and b1 he rip the 0 sa paimra kala a2 and b2 he rip the 0 meaning mre gine now let's move on geometric meaning of solution of a linear equation in two variables aru itumna linear equation with solution jiga khigla gji tamgru maire yang ara awi geometric meaning or graphical meaning wa khigla gji yangrum se chanjam sada athangwi tumna puzzle nai nongso nawba wi share jing room kha ten chogra gji bai khuise kala hiwa tissue da itumna arwi geometric meaning bai phapta khwai hotna yang se remake up the x plus y equals to 10 hi y equals to jelaga x with terms in a kapi ko se so y equals to 10 minus x da kapi bai ra x in a y wi points ka thum khuise ya x chi 1 sa sa kha y chi kya khara x1 ka y will be 10 minus 1 which is 9 x chi 2 sa ka y will be 8 x chi 3 sa ka y will be 7 the x and a y we pair of solutions khui ga ni ji thumna yang here trial and error method in khui shok kai go thumna ara hi points pin hi ithumna graphly plot sau gi jine x axis li x plot sara y axis li y plot sara aru ithum equation by symbol sala ga gi da x and y we value phak shok chi by line phashok kai ne kha chanjam sa da equation ji complex sa mai da 3x plus 2y equals to 15 the lai sa kha wa x and y we value phak shok chi ti na kha sak mere ka tharak la ja kha firstly y equals to jel ga x with terms in ka bio say so this will give you y equals to 15 minus 3x by shong khu ga ga minus 3x ka on ga ne kala 2y the dai gi ji 2 na jingli divide ta sa ga ne so 15 minus 3x divided by 2 the shokra x we value hi ki sangra thaka y we value hi la integer shok pai rakla ji mu chuki ne x we value sang pa la ga y we value shok shokre kha integer mu shok kha ithum graph chili plot ka sa ji kha sa gaure jilla chena x we value hi 1 sangai kha y we value hi integer mu shok pai ra yang se yang so x we value 1 sangai ga 3 times 1 3 15 minus 3 is 12 divided by 2 is 6 integer shok to very good x we value ji thaga 1 sangau se so x we value 1 sang kleo na y we value ji 6 shokaira yeah x is 1 then y is 6 ara thaga next ka phaba ji hi da trial and error ina phasho no ni je itum atam trak zangor de chena ara trick akhana kigla ji ga azingly divide sa da khle number by hi pa hi yakha na na phasho kai x we je na chunga laga x we value pha ka phaulo or maninga value ja kha suita laga x we value khuilo chunga ka ba khui se firstly so 1 with li 2 chunga ni jiwa x we value ji 3 aur da ya da 3 goes daga x we value 3 ga 3 times 3 9 15 minus 9 6 divided by 2 3 okay ara one way na value khani suida la khu yangos so one way na value khani suida da jiga x we value ji minus 1 khu ro dala yang thaga hili minus 1 sang se ga minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 15 plus 3 is 18 divided by 2 9 so y we value ji 9 shok dale hi da da itumna x in a y we value pha bai complex sa khamai equation sa khawa okay coming back to our original equation itumi 이tum나 x and y we value pair gutum pakwe hi graph hili plot house x1 occur y9 delete x1 ne y9 will be somewhere around here, so he x1 color y9 we point ne ara ka khne bana x2 occur yg8, so x na 2 or yg8, so it will be somewhere here, so this is x2 and y8. X na 3 occur y na 7, so x3 y7 lili. So this point is x3 and y7. So point to me join circle, we get a straight line. Yeah. So this straight line is the graph of x plus y is equal to 10. Chain the linear equation in two variables C graphly plot circle, we will always get a straight line. Chimam lai bam ko. Our solution of this linear equation gji graph na yang laga khili khang khle yang je kha nana graph ye guide any point khilo. Yeah, any point khilo jika chanjam sada, let's take this point. Hue point goes chanjam sada. Our hue point we coordinate jikido coordinates pingji x is 6 and y is 4. So x is 6 and y is 4. Ara he itong original equation jili x and y we value sangingra satisfy sa sara. Yes, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 satisfy sa dale. Kangatay point na khulilo chanjam sada. Let's see. Let's take this point. Hue point equals hue point ikida x is 7.5 and y is 2.5. So this is actually x is 7.5 and y is 2.5. Our x and y we value ji equation ili sangingra. Taga satisfy sa ledo 7.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 10. Yes, satisfy sa le. Then any point on the line, any point on the line khuilaga ji x and y we value ji equation jili sangaka satisfy sarag jilla. Kaklat power nana graph ye kai jili straight line sampang dak leji straight line ji jili points katong ji x plus y is equal to 10 we solution ne gijil. So every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it. Equation jili represents hadak le line baji jiba we point gatong ji equation ji we solution ne gijine. Line hiva ishong la katang mang wala vaura ishong la katang mang wala vaura chitawgida you will get an infinite number of solutions for this linear equation in two variables. Ara itum we puzzle jil hanung lo say itum na kare equation ba hiva graph jili plot sai rang ka khane equation ba ji jika nung sot pali nana lupa ka chungmei da khuira ga jibaji angos x minus y equals to 1. Ara hibai leitum na y is equal to x minus 1 the y ji x we terms and gabi bayara. Chajam sa leitum na x we value ji 3 khuya ka y we value ji ka 3 minus 1 2. X we value ji, let's take it as 5, y we value ji 4. X we value, let's say 7, then y we value 6. Now he katum hila graph ili plot chose, yeah. So x is 3 y 2. So if x is 3, then y is 2. So this is the point. So this is x3 and y2. Now xg5 occur y4. So xg5 occur y4. So this is the point. xg7 occur yg6. So this is the point. Yeah. Ara point to milay tum na join sa liose. Ara itum na thai je he we graph by he we line by hina x plus y is equal to 10 we graph ne kala he we line by hina x minus y equals to 1 we graph ne. Yeah. Ara interesting sala kaya khava graph khani hi point akhali intersect sa dalide kala point ba we value x and y we value ji khigla jika this is x is 5.5 kala y is 4.5. So x is 5.5 and y is 4.5. Kaklat power inu itumwi equation khani hili x we value 5.5 kala y we value 4.5 sangni gija khani ni hili satisfy sare gijine yang kala hina solution ni daga x iwa nana paisa kyak samang rakla kala y hina nong so pang paisa kyak samang rakla jinda jena nana paisa lupa phanga makhai samang re kala nong so pana lupa mati makhai samang re thaiga nana nong so bali lupa khungmai da samang ai. Okay, so this is how you will solve a pair of linear equations in two variables graphically. Graph chijin da kai thumna ita da solve sabai. Interesting sala kai topic la kai nimla. Let's move on. Ara thaka pair of linear equations he consistent ne or inconsistent ne or dependent ne jiga khikla ji machung rum sai. Ara ithumna thai ejia linear equation he graphly khaya gatamli graph chi straight line re. Thaka pair of linear equations chi graphly yega ka straight line khani sam bangla dala. Yang kala straight line khani hi intersect sa ka sara intersect sa ju kladwa sajung ro ka sajung ro ka mani ka coincide sa ka sara coincide ka sa ka ju kladwa ngai cha gi je ngai cha khang ngai cha ra mani ka parallel sa ka sara parallel sa da ji ka ba ani ji sam ga phangmang wa gi je or intersect sa mang wa gi je yang then a case ka thum lai intersect sang rok ta ja ka nana chandam sa da linear equations khani khuise x minus 2y is equal to 0 hina khane kala linear equation 3x plus 4y equals to 20 hina khane ani we graph yekni jiwa straight line samhangra kala straight line khani ji point akhli intersect sara which is 4,2 yeah so itumna thai je hiwi point by hi hina ani we wang solution ne so unique solution akhmang samangdale jena graph khani ji intersect sa sa khawa solution unique salakai na akhasam bangre jine. Okay, ara linear equation 4x plus 6y equals to 18 kuise kala another linear equation 2x plus 3y equals to 9 kuise ani ji graphly plot kasadam tharan you will get the same line khani ni ji coincide sa sare gilla line khani ni jang thahaya kha line li zuda khlei points ka tong ji khani ni equation khani ni ji li satisfy sa dalai chuwang na you will get an infinitely many solutions chung ka samangre mushan gar samangre gilla so equation khani ji graph likhe ga dam tharan coincidence sa dalai ka we will get an infinitely many solutions ara case ka thumali chanjam sa 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 kala x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 gaji pair hi plot kasadam tharan we will get two parallel lines ara parallel lines how gida ani wa intersect ma sa thu gida we do not get any common point ma sam bang nei ju khla pa wa ani hi solution ma lai ma nei jilla so we have no solution if the lines are parallel. Okay, ara solution sam bang ta la ka akhamang la bai or chung khala bai chitha pair of linear equations chi likhyogla jiga consistent pair of linear equations hoy yeah chena case 1 na case 2 hiwa consistent pair of linear equations ne ka itumna solution masam banglak madale ka kajukla pawa graph khega dam tharan line khani ji parallel sa dale ka chitha pair of linear equations chi liwa inconsistent pair of linear equations already la. Okay, ara case 2 ba hi jika coincidence hadle ka pair of linear equations chili kyogla jika dependent pair of linear equations tila hoye jena dependent pair of linear equations will always be consistent confuse masai lo consistent jika wa unique solution la consistent ne infinitely many solutions the consistent ne solution khalai usually consistent kone dependent jika wa infinitely many solutions mangli dependent kone kala inconsistent kajiwa solution ma lela ka jili inconsistent khone. Okay, Ara taga katharan consistent katharan inconsistent kala katharan dependent pair of linear equations ne tang bai rak lag ji ithum na re equations khui gai bing hi ngai heu yang naga condition ji khig lag ji yang bai sa se ara case kreba jli thumna pair of linear equations tri x minus 2y equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equals to 0 ne ara ithumna hi general form ina ngatamaka a1 hi 1 ne b1 hi minus 2 ne kala c1 hi 0 ne a2 hi 3 ne b2 hi 4 ne kala c2 hi minus 20 ne yeah sorry alright a1 by a2 phayangra so we get 1 by 3 b1 by b2 phayangra minus 2 by 4 and c1 by c2 is 0 by minus 20. We find that a1 by a2 in a b1 by b2 he compare sadam tharan aniji mangrai chamane. Yeah. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the graphs or the lines will be intersecting lines, and we will get exactly one unique solution. So if a1 by a2 he b1 by b2 li mangrai cha kha, the pair of linear equations are consistent and we get an exactly one solution. Ara kakhni baili a1 na 2 ne b1 na 3 ne kala c1 na minus 9 ne a2 na 4 ne b2 na 6 ne kala c2 na minus 18 ne a1 by a2 2 by 4 ne b1 by b2 3 by 6 ne kala c1 by c2 minus 9 by 18 ne itumna hili ngaheu yang kha hi 1 by 2 shok tale hila 1 by 2 shok tale de hila 1 by 2 shok tale daga a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 hi samang dale chi thai kha itumna linear equation khani hi graph li plot ka satam tharan we will get coincident lines, which means we get infinitely many solutions. Chena Huey condition by he satisfy sadalaya cover this is consistent ne solution tra gida kala this is dependent we also call them dependent lahoye and we will get infinitely many solutions. Okay, now kagathuma case paji a1 hi 1 ne b1 hi 2 ne c1 hi minus 4 ne kala a2 hi 2 ne b2 hi 4 ne kala c2 hi minus 12 ne a1 by a2 kasadam tharan 1 by 2 samangra b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2 2 by 4 ne khedai ko 1 by 2 samange kala c1 by c2 is 1 by 3 samangdale yeah so a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 wa samangji they are not equal to c1 by c2 c1 by c2 liya mangrai jangji Huey condition is satisfied sad lega then we call them consistent masamne plot ka sadam tharan the graph will be parallel lines, which means non-intersecting, therefore no solution. So Huey condition is satisfied saka they are inconsistent and they have no solution. Jena pair of linear equations in two variables we wang Huey conditions ping hi mathala gain thik sak phlungre condition hi satisfy sa ka consistent ne kala unique solution lera condition ga khani ba hi satisfy sa ka wa consistent ra kala dependent la hora kala infinitely many solutions amangra kala condition hi ba hi satisfy sa ka wa solution ma lemra kala inconsistent pair of linear equations hore hi mamlai la kalo takar sala kai akhala kai chena pair of linear equations hi solve salo gjadam tharan remake up the itum Huey condition hi yangfra kala solution samang bai gam samang bai or solution ji infinitely many solutions ra ka unique solutions samang ra kala ji firstly thai fase condition is jin laga yang chiwitili solve sapok na gi gijne. Okay, alright, to make exercise ni sai se check whether the given pairs of linear equations are consistent. Consistent sagam saklak jiga solution legam leklak ji yang lojine ya. Our general equation ji hita tak bi bai ji tum thera yang ause. First pair by he general form where tissue da kabi close thaga 6x minus plus minus 3y plus minus 10 is equal to 0 tak bi bai color 2x plus minus 1y plus minus 9 is equal to 0 the kabi khui bayara ara hili a1 g6 ne a2 na 2 ne so a1 by a2 is 6 by 2 which is 3 by 1 yeah b1 by b2 na minus 3 by minus 1 which is 3 by 1 color c1 by c2 nava minus 10 by minus 9 which is 10 by 9 so itum na thai ja a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but it is not equal to c1 by c2 so he q case to this is a case of no solution so solution malemra which means it is inconsistent nei bai okay ara kakhne bai yang se firstly general form na bio say so 9x plus 3y plus minus 12 is equal to 0 that will be by 18x plus 6y plus minus 24 is equal to 0 that will be by ara a1 by a2 is 9 by 18 9 by 18 equal 1 by 2 nang rai jai similarly b1 by b2 is 3 by 6 3 by 6 till 1 by 2 nang rai jai color c1 by c2 is minus 12 by minus 24 till 1 by 2 nang rai jai so we see that a1 by a2 is actually equal to b1 by b2 which is equal to c1 by c2 so a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 he q condition though this is a condition of infinitely many solutions so this equation is consistent kala consistent lahoi kala infinitely many solutions how gida likhi lahor kala jiga we call them as dependent lahoi then a dependent gamaning dang han saga yes it is also dependent pair of linear equations go to mobile yengos general form in a big say so a1 by a2 is 5 by 7 b1 by b2 is minus 4 by 6 ara c1 by c2 ka phatar gram salim ne qwangla jiga a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 so we know this is the case of a unique solution jiga solution a khamang le re jilla so this pair of linear equations is consistent kala what kind of consistency is this a unique solution question khangta khayang lo se solve graphically 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50 whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46 find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen our cost of one pencil ji x ne jau se kala cost of one pen ji y ne jaus taka firstly itum linear equations in two variables same kui jine kala pera ka same kui ra jikta taka statement me da ji 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50 jiga 5x and jiga plus 7 pens y together cost rupees 50 so 5x plus 7y is equal to 50 yak samangaira ara next pana 7 pencils 7x and plus 5 pens to y together equals to cost rupees 46 so 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 now correct equation by here y equals to 50 minus 5x by 7 to be by x we value kuise kala y we value phashok se chikitha points kutum kuise graph chili plot sabai hoya x we value he let's take 3 goes daga 5 times 3 15 50 minus 15 is 35 35 divided by 7 is 5 now atam we logic decision daga li by 7 da leogi da 3 way na 7 junga ku chungang sakse maninga 3 way na 7 suida ka suidang sakos firstly suida ba jikos daga 3 li 7 suida ka minus 4 so x we value minus 4 kuika minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20 50 plus 20 is 70 70 divided by 7 is 10 okay ara 3 way na 7 jungang sakos daga 3 plus 7 is 10 so 5 times 10 50 50 minus 50 0 0 divided by 7 0 so y we value is 0 0 samang ara points being he graph he plot house so 3 and 5 xg3 yg5 so this is the point xg minus 4 ka y na 10 so if x is minus 4 delay y 10 so we get this one xg 10 ka y0 so x 10 y0 ta ka hi babam y0 ne ka 0 now he plots house is when plot ka sadam tharan points being join ka sadam tharan we get this line okay jena he q equation he q graph kala jiga 5x plus 7y equals to 50 we graph ne ara kakhani equation ba ji 7x plus 5y equals to 46g y equals to 46 minus 7x by 5 ta bi by ra x we value ki kuisi taga y we value integer shok pai gi so trial and error method chijin laga x we value he let's say 3 equals so if you take x equals to 3 7 times 3 21 46 minus 21 is 25 25 by 5 is 5 now our x we value ji 5 in increase sa ka say decrease sa ka say firstly decrease ka sa sauce daga x minus 5 is minus 2 so x we value minus 2 kuiga 7 times minus 7 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 14 46 plus 14 you got 60 divided by 5 is 12 so y we value 12 ara x g 3 plus 5 equals so 8 so 7 times 8 is 56 46 minus 56 ka minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2 so y we value minus 2 samang he plot house area so xg3 ka yg5 ra xg3 ka yg5 again we're getting this point okay and xg minus 2 ka yg12 so xg minus 2 ka y12 so we're getting this one and xg8 ka yg minus 2 so if x is 8 y is minus 2 so this part x8 and y minus 2 ara itum points ping join sao se ara points ping join ka sadam tharan itum line hi bai samang ya hina q graph kala jiga 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 we graph ne ara itum na thai da le ga graph khani hi point hali intersect sa da le kala point hi ki point do x is 3 and y is 5 so x equals to 3 and y equals to 5 this is our solution itum solution ne gila jena therefore cost of one pencil ji x ne which is rupees 3 and cost of one pen is y which is rupees 5 so this is your solution jena itumna pair of linear equations in two variables hi graphically hidada solve sabai okay ara graph machine la ka thada itumna algebraic method by na solve sabai ra lagji yangorum se so algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables method kutum le substitution method elimination method kala cross multiplication method ara itumna pair of linear equations ku say x minus 2y equals to minus 5 kala 3x plus 4y equals to 25 kala hi method kutum hina solve sayang se ha remake up the itumna pair of linear equations is consistent sa gam sa kala ji yangai fse unique solution samang ra ji ngos ya thaga a1 by a2 kya khra a1 by a2 will be 1 by 3 a1 1 ne, a2 ne 3 ne. b1 by b2 will be minus 2 by 4. So minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 ji mangrai chamne. Therefore, this is consistent and we will have a unique solution. Okay? Ara kare method sada substitution method. Substitution method li bagta akla jika equation akha ji khuilaga variable akha hi variable khangtei ba we form ka biora kala ji equation khangtei ba ji replace ara kala variable we value ji phashokra. Okay? Let's see how this is done. X minus 2y equals to minus 5g. X equals to 2y minus 5 to b by RG variable a variable khangdei ba form ka bi khoira kala x we mahut 2y minus 5 in a second equation by replace house. Okay, we get 3 into, instead of writing x we write 2y minus 5 plus 4y is equal to 25. Ara hi na y we value phashok phai saura. Daga this implies that 3 times 2 6 y 2 times minus 5 is minus 15 or plus 4y equals to 25. This implies that 6y plus 4y is 10y. 10y equals to minus 15g shongkangai ka 25 plus 15 the one aura. So 25 plus 15. This implies that 10y is equal to 40. Y equals to 4. Then 40 divide saka 4 shoge. So y equals to 4. Ara y we value g ili replace saulo. Taga x equals to 2 into y jiga 4 ne minus 5. So this is 2 times 4 8 minus 5 which is 3. So x equals to 3 ne. Chena hiwi solution na x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. This is the solution. Okay? Hili kyokla jiga substitution method hoye. Ara hili thegi jibawa itun na equation hiba hi shijin lagala 3x equals to 25 minus 4y. This implies that x equals to 25 minus 4y by 3 the kapi kui by x y we term sena kala hiba hi na equation hiba li replace sabai kajita tak sadam tharan complex samai karda onore to mui equation ja kala solve ka sale atam jang aura jena ka shapai nang da ka simple sa and solve sabai rak lag ji baji idum hot na gi jine. Okay? Aro ka khane method li elimination method. Equation khani hili variable akhawi coefficients pinjing rai chang sakolo x will by or y will by ha laga ani ji eliminate saulo ngai ja khani ji eliminate saulo equation khani ji plus sa laga ni ga minus sa laga ni ga laga variable akhmang tai gai ji chui value ji phashoklo. Okay, let's try. Hili 4y ledele hili minus 2y ledele ara y by eliminate sang sakos daga first equation by li 2 na multiply sakava 4y the shok by the hilia jena first equation by li 2 na multiply so you get 2x minus 4y equals to minus 10. Second equation by li ki na multiply samra 4y level mogida so plus 4y is equals to 25. Ara ani hi minus ara plus ara kyuwangai na hi minus ne hi plus ne thaga ani ji plus sa ka cancel sang ro kyuwangai na plus ara so 2x plus 3x is 5x minus 4y plus 4y is 0 and minus 10 plus 25 is 15. So this implies that x equals to 15 by 5 which is 3. So x we value 3 samang de our x we value hi first equation liniga or second equation liniga replace how local y we value phasholo yeah taka first equation bali replace house so x we mode 3 sangaura minus 2y equals to minus 5 our minus 2y ji shong khangau se plus minus 5 ji shong khangau se so 3 plus 5 is equal to 2y the one or you can say 2y equals to 3 plus 5 is 8 so y equals to 8 by 2 which is 4 so y equals to 4 samang dale so x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. This is your solution. itum na hiwi solution by first method pa jin la phashuk bo mai re ngai ja da shok bo myang x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. Now third method ka chu mobile cross multiplication method hoye hi ba hi nawla ka nei ta sambangi ne kala x we value y we value direct samang bai gi ne a1 a2 b1 b2 bing we value sang la yang ka isum hi derive science se elimination method shijin laga derive sa gi ne yang jena hili y hi eliminate sa phai saus daga b1y and b2y da le daga first equation by the b2 and multiply saus se kala second equation by the b1 and multiply saus se taiga y we coefficient jing right ja da samang bai ora yeah. So multiplying the first equation by p2 we get a1 p2 into x plus b1 p2 into y plus c1 p2 equals to 0. Second equation by inkisamara b1 a2 into x plus b1 b2 into y plus b1 c2 equals to 0. Ara anni hi minus house minus saga a1 b2 minus b1 a2 into x samangra hili hiva minus sang ro ka chaura 0 plus c1 b2 minus b1 c2 samangra is equal to 0. This implies that x will be equal to minus c1 b2 minus b1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Ara hi minus hi bracket alung liquizangai ka you get x equals to b1 c2 plus minus b2 c1 upon a1 p2 minus a2 p1 is among right. Okay, so x we value ji is among la a1 p1 c1 a2 p2 c2 we value spring ji direct hili sangai la ka x we value samang bai ji la yang jena x we value pharo ji ka direct a1 b1 c1 kala a2 p2 c2 we value bing li sangau lo x we value direct phabai re takamena y we value la c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 p2 minus a2 p1 the phashok pai ara khani hing room lagai thumna hita da bi by x by p1 c2 minus p2 c1 equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 kala x power jika x by b1 c2 minus p2 c1 equals to 1 by a1 p2 minus a2 p1 jora kala he term by he atungni kaura so we get this takamena y power jika ani hi equate saura kala y we as in term by atungni kaura and we get this. Okay, kala x and y we value ji chita da phashu pai ara q1 in a cross multiplication method hogla jika cross multiply sa we pattern a ka follow sat le yang yang room se you first term by hi ka da ung shokla gi yang se so x pi see x we next lik lay line ba ji khuilo laga p1 cross c2 p1 into c2 minus p2 into c1 the sawlo yang he second term by nagtha dong shokla jika y we quick y na tungli numerator ne taga we write pa ji khuilo laga c1 cross a2 in minus c2 into a1 c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 to shok to le yeah third term by he one the numerator ne we rightly jiga right male to gida helium ora thaga coefficient a1 into p2 minus a2 into p1 so a1 into p2 minus a2 into p1 hina denominator chi thawgida hida the cross multiply sa da clay sawgida hiwi pattern cross multiplication we pattern hi leogida itum hiwi method hili cross multiplication method khone okay our cross multiplication method is jin laga itum hiwi pair of linear equations is solve sa paisa se then remake up the general form in a because say 다가 first equation by here 1x plus minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 daga b by era. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Hina a2x plus b2 plus c2 equals to 0. Ara x we value x we value is b1 into c2, which is minus 2 into minus 25 minus b2 into c1, 4 into 5, divided by a1 into b2, 1 into 4, minus a2 into b1, so 3 into minus 2, a2 into b1. So he simplified sadam tharan. Minus 2 into minus 25 is 50, minus 4 into 5 is 20, divided by 1 times 4 is 4, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So this gives you 30 by 10, which is equal to 3. Yeah? So x equals to 3 samangdale. Why we were c1 into a2. So 5 into 3 minus c2 into a1. So minus 25 into 1, divided by a1 into b2. So 1 into 4 minus a2 into b1, which is 3 into minus 2. This gives you 5 times 3, 15, minus 25 is plus 25, divided by 1 times 4, 4, 3 into minus 2 is 6, plus 6. So this gives you 15 plus 25 is 40 by 10, and this is 4. So y is equal to 4. Jena itumna athang sam gapang x equals to 3 kala y equals to 4 hilla chap cha da samang babam dale. Ya jena itumna solve ka sadam tharan method ka tumili na tumna convenience samai thui gi ji shijin bai question lirin si de na method ti bai shijin na ga phashok lo gi mani ga ka ba na tumna shijin ka ngai method na tumna comfortable sa da kle ji shijin bai. Ya kala ri mai thui da yangi gi ba wa pair of linear equations chi consistent sa gamasa kala unique solution le gam le kla gi yang thura chiwithili proceed sa nawgi gi ne. Next level tumna concepts tam kai bing hi ka tha da apply sa rakla kala linear equations ma khaning bing la ka tha da apply sa pai ji tam gurum re kala linear equations in two variables li base ka sa word problems bing la itum solve sang room re aju wang wa hina khangjong ngasai re. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, keep learning with fun.